10 space-saving new Amazon gadgets for home and kitchen. As always, links are in description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with Corner Shower Caddy. This corner shower caddy helps you organize your bathroom essentials while saving space. Its L-shaped design fits perfectly into 90 degrees corners, keeping bottles and toiletries neatly arranged. The strong adhesive can support up to 40 pounds, making it sturdy enough for heavy items like large shampoo bottles. Installation is easy and requires no drilling or tools. Just clean the surface, apply the adhesive, and attach the caddy. Slim rolling storage cart. This slim rolling storage cart fits neatly into tight spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. It has 3 tiers and side hooks for extra storage of small essentials. The 360 degrees rotating wheels make it easy to move around, and the 2 brakes keep it stable when needed. You can also adjust or remove the shelves for use on countertops if required. Over-the-door organizer. This over-the-door organizer is a practical and spacious solution to declutter your space. It has 6 front pockets in 3 different sizes for versatile storage of various items. Additionally, there are 12 mesh side pockets for smaller items like chargers and keys. The organizer can hold up to 50 pounds, providing reliable storage for heavier items. Glass food storage containers. These glass food storage containers are a healthy and practical solution for meal prep. Made from durable borosilicate glass, they're freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips keep your food fresh and leak-proof, even for soups or liquids, with a variety of shapes and sizes. These containers fit a wide range of storage needs and are resistant to extreme temperatures. Magnetic spice rack. This magnetic spice rack is made of high-quality steel with a black matte finish, making it both waterproof and rust-proof, ideal for kitchen use. Its strong magnetic design allows it to hold up to 6 pounds without sliding down, ensuring reliable storage. It's very easy to install, no drilling or assembly required. Just attach it to the side of your refrigerator or other iron surfaces. Knife block. This knife block can hold up to 11 knives and has an extra slot for scissors. Made from durable rubber wood, it is finished with black paint to complement modern kitchen designs. It also has anti-skid rubber feet on the bottom to keep it securely in place on your countertop. Additionally, a built-in ceramic sharpener allows for easy resharpening of your knives, saving you time and counter space. Toothbrush holder. This toothbrush holder helps keep your bathroom neat and organized. It features multiple compartments, drawers, and an automatic toothpaste dispenser for convenience, with space for 7 toothbrushes and 4 magnetic cups that drain upside down. It's great for family use. The wall-mounted design is easy to install without drilling and keeps everything ventilated and dry. Storage bin. This decorative storage bin with a lid is perfect for organizing everything from clothing and shoes to office supplies and pet products. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, while the flip-top lid helps keep dust out. Its handles are reinforced to hold a heavy load. Drawer organizer. This drawer organizer combines style and durability, crafted from high-quality brushed aluminum. Its modular design lets you customize the compartments to fit your specific needs, maximizing space use. Installation is simple and tool-free, allowing you to quickly set up your organized space. With this organizer, you'll always find what you need, keeping your home, workspace, or clinic tidy and welcoming. Floating shelves. These floating shelves offer a versatile way to organize and decorate your space. The set includes 4 different sizes, letting you arrange them to suit your style and storage needs. Made from natural wood with unique grains, they add a rustic touch to your room while fitting various decor styles. The sturdy triangle brackets support up to 40 pounds, and installation is straightforward with all hardware included.